What's the meaning of conferment? Conferment. Conferment.
Conferment. Conferment. Conferment refers to the act of granting an honor or degree to someone. The result of conferment typically involves the recipient being officially recognized for their achievements or qualifications in a particular field. For example, if someone is awarded a PhD, the conferment of that degree means that they have successfully completed the necessary requirements and have been acknowledged as an expert in their field. Similarly, the conferment of a medal or award recognizes exceptional accomplishments in a particular area, and can serve as a source of pride and motivation for the recipient.